Hey everyone, just dropping in with the daily update, and as I'm sure you can hear right now, there is in fact sound. This has taken me a very long time to get going. Let me turn that down just a little bit. Um, yeah, it's taken me pretty much all day, and a number of failed implementations. In particular, I was trying to use the STD audio library that I showed off a few days ago, because I thought that was a really good idea. Unfortunately, every time I would try and fill the audio buffer with any data, it would just play garbage noise at me, and I just couldn't get it to output my data. I tried for hours debugging to try and get it working properly, but unfortunately I just couldn't do it. So I switched over to using X Audio, which, you know, it's something I'm a bit more familiar with, though to be fair, the last time I used it, I was a lot less experienced with programming in general, and a lot of what I did there was just sort of bodging it, throwing code at the wall and seeing what stuck. I've got a better idea now of how the callbacks work and all that. So yeah, it's been a long day. It's been a very long day. A lot of debugging to try and get this working, but we got there in the end. I've been playing around with just a few sort of different implementations of muting sort of certain parts of this piece of music when you're not moving. Unfortunately, they don't sound all that great. I might just leave the music as it is, to be honest. It's quite nice, it's quite relaxing. And I'm just more thinking that, maybe I need specific functionality for that, maybe make it mute so that it's after a specific note or anything like that, which I don't know that I'm going to have time to implement. The whole point of me going with X Audio over the proposed standard audio library was simply a time-saving exercise, because it was about 8 o'clock, so what, 5 hours ago now? And yeah, I was just getting nowhere, and I just decided, okay, I literally can't spend any more time on this. I don't have the time budget for it. I'm on a limited 30 odd day project. I've still got all of the objects to sort out, and a bunch of the levels to start designing, let alone real life stuff going on. So yeah, ultimately I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's it's playing fine. It's got advanced looping, so it's looping between two specific points in the audio track. So that's everything I need, really. I can implement sound effects if I want, which I will, for small bonks and when you pick up a key and everything like that. But sound design is going to come in week 3 or 4. That's one of the last priorities on my list, really. As long as I've got music playing, I'm happy. So yeah, I think that about sums up today's exercise. Yeah, obviously if you've got any questions about this, please feel free to leave a comment. I've seen a sort of small viewer uptick, which is quite nice. Obviously, as I say, I'm open to any questions. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all tomorrow.